Make it easy to live healthy. Reward yourself with a juice of tasty and nutritious fruits and vegetables. Eat, live, and drink well with Omega Juicers. The Vert Juicer by Omega makes it convenient to live a healthy lifestyle. Turn it on, add your favorite fruits or veggies, and the Vert will quickly get to work, separating the pulp, peels, and seeds from the nutrient-packed juice. The auto-cleaning system and juicing screen guarantees you the great-tasting, healthy juice you want. Whether fruits or vegetables, the Omega Vert makes it simple to enjoy 100% fresh juice whenever your body craves it. The Omega Vert Low-Speed Juicer ensures your juice will stay fresh longer and is healthier than juice from other juicers. The secret is the Vert juices at low speeds of 80 RPMs, preserving beneficial enzymes and nutrients normally lost at the high speeds of regular juicers. The slow speed of the Vert also prevents oxidation, truly keeping your juice as fresh as can be. Just look, apple juice from a normal juicer has already broken down from oxidation and separation, while the juice from the Vert maintains consistency and will stay fresh for up to 72 hours. When you are finished, the Omega Vert cleans up quickly and reassembles easily for future use. The Vert stores easily with a small footprint and a sleek, elegant design. It also makes a statement on any countertop. Whether pineapples or carrots, or even seeded fruit like cherries and pomegranates, the Omega Vert delivers, making it easy to extract juice from your favorite fruits or vegetables. Leafy vegetables like kale or spinach, or even something as fine as wheatgrass, are all easily juiced with the Vert. It's the only juicer you'll need. The Vert is so quick, it makes it easy to live healthy. Juice up your lifestyle, eat well, live well, and drink well with the Vert Low-Speed Juicer from Omega.
Fresh, nutritious juice is a fantastic and simple way to a healthy lifestyle, and there's no better solution than the Easy Juice from Morphy Richards. Easy Juice is a slow juicer which gently chews the ingredients to get the most from them. It protects all those precious nutrients from heat and air damage, extracting a higher quality juice when compared with other juicers. Easy Juice can create a variety of juices, from a simple fresh fruit juice for breakfast to a highly nutritious detox juice featuring kale and spinach. And here at Morphy Richards, we've developed a range of delicious recipes to help you get the best out of your juicer. For a nutritious daily juice, try oranges mixed with a little coriander to help keep your skin in great condition and help lower cholesterol. Slowly add the ingredients into the juicer and guide them with the pusher. The slow grinding action mixes less air into the juices, so not only will those colours and flavours last longer, but there's also going to be less separation of the ingredients, so you'll keep that freshness as well. For a great detox smoothie, try our crazy kale recipe with spinach, carrot, cucumber, lemon, apple and kale. As the ingredients get crushed up, you'll get all the vitamins and antioxidants out of the kale that are perfect for detoxifying your body. The innovative design allows you to juice with no fuss and no mess, as the pulp simply collects into this jug. And the detachable filter also makes cleaning simple and easy. For an energy boost to get you through the day, try our citrus twist recipe. Pomegranate seeds, ruby grapefruit, lime, oranges and carrots will all be great sources of vitamin C to get you energized for the day ahead. And it also helps to look after your heart. With every Easy Juice, we've included a free copy of Jason Vale's Funky Fresh Juice Book. The dedicated recipe book is filled with inspirational recipes to get the best out of your slow juicer for years to come. And you can download the Morphy Richards Cook and Create app for even more delicious recipes. So for a simple and more beneficial way to get your 5 a day, choose the Easy Juice from Morphy Richards.